you tired of your garbage disposal smelling terrible? I've got an easy solution for you. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations.
Hello friends, today's going to be a very short do-it-yourself garbage disposal freshener video. I'm expecting a phone call from the hospital. My daughter just headed over there. She's going to have a baby, so I don't want to be on the phone videotaping this if she's trying to call. So we'll just do this really quick. So this one is a very popular garbage disposal refreshener. A lot of people use it, but I'll go ahead and show you. I do plan in the next few days to show several of other ways that you can freshen your garbage disposal. So what I did here is I took a lemon and I went ahead and peeled it. We're going to just use the rinds. So I just got them sliced up, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut them into small pieces, and then I'm going to stick them in an ice cube tray. And you can use limes, you can use grapefruit, you can use oranges, whatever citrus. And the citrus really has the nice cleaning smell to it. It also helps cut the grime. And this will also, as the garbage disposal blades hit these, it will chop them up, and that will also sharpen the blades a little bit. Alright, so I have the lemon peels in the ice cube tray. And then next I'm going to take some fresh rosemary and chop that up. And that will give it an extra smell. That will make it nice and fresh. Now you can just do the citrus if you want to, or you can add whatever herbs you want to give it a little bit different smell. And I'll go ahead and finish chopping that up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the lemon peels and the fresh rosemary in the ice cube tray. And then the next thing that you will do is we're going to take white vinegar and pour it into the ice cube trays. And you want to pour it till it's almost full. And there you have it. That's all that's in it. And we'll go ahead and freeze this for several hours, and then we'll go ahead and pop them out and show you how it works. It has been several hours, and by the way, I am a new grandma. I have a new grandson. This makes 13 grandchildren, but only 3 boys. So I have my ice cube tray full of the lemon peels, the rosemary, and the vinegar. Now the rosemary is mostly for the freshening, the lemon peels are for freshening, and it will also cut away the grime, and the vinegar helps cut through all of the icky, disgusting buildup, knock it loose so it can go ahead and go on down through the drain. So we want to go ahead and open up that. So we'll go ahead and go on over to the garbage disposal. So after I took them out of the ice cube tray, I put them in a baggie to keep in the freezer so I could keep the vinegar smell out of the freezer. So we'll go ahead and put a couple of these in the garbage disposal and get it all nice and fresh. I'll go ahead and put in 3 of them. Turn on the hot water, and it's going to have some of the debris jump back up. I usually have a cover, and I'll turn on the garbage disposal. And there we have it, a nice fresh smelling garbage disposal. And you'll want to go ahead and use it periodically to keep it smelling fresh. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.